My name is Gaynor. Hi, and I'm going to show you how to make my very small but very useful string bag for shopping. It's always good not to take plastic with us these days, of course, so use one of these. It folds up nice and small in your bag, but it does stretch quite a lot. You can get surprisingly a large amount of fruit or veg or whatever you fancy in this. So I've made this with mercerized cotton. Mercerized is better than simple plain cotton because it's more lustrous, it stretches less and it keeps its shape more. So it's really good for a project like this. Those are the placements of our handles. So when I put the bag again flat like that, you can see that the handles will be where those two pins are, and they are equidistant. I've got 5 sets of trebles between the front ones and I've got 5 sets of trebles between the back ones.